So, dito tayo sa identifying non-direct variations. So, give ako na example. From book lang to I'm basing from book. So, doon muna tayo sa table. So, paano natin malalaman if this is a direct variation or not? Direct variation. So, ang ginagawa ko dyan, ginagamit ko yung formula na to. Okay? So, we will just substitute the values from this table dito. So, first, check natin. So, K will be equal to and yan. So, meaning magiging 2 lang yan. Kasi mas malaki si numerator. Next, ito yung first, second. K will be equal to 4, 2. So, divide natin dalawang yan. Pwede rin naman i-reduce. If you reduce that, magiging 2 and magiging ganyan rin siya. So, 2 and 3. Okay. X natin ay nasa baba. 6. So, pag dinivide natin yan, ni-reduce rin natin yan, magiging ganito yung mukha niya. So, 2. So, this is a direct variation. Okay? Ito na naman yung example na to. So, as I said, gamitin natin yung formula na K is equal to Y over X for direct variation, ha? So, first, okay, substitute natin yung values. 12 over 2. So, magiging, ito ay magiging 6. Itong pangalawang condition, 27 over 3. Parang, so, ganito pa lang, parang hindi na siya, hindi na siya direct variation, di ba? Dito pa lang, kita na natin hindi na siya direct variation. Pero check pa rin natin. Ano na bang i-check? Wala nang i-check, pero okay lang yan. So, 12. So, lahat sila, hindi sila magkakaparehas. This is not a direct variation. Kaya lang mag-check sa table. If equation, we're determining if it's a direct variation or not. So, pag equation, we always need to base on this formula. Yan. Okay? Where K is a constant. So, si K pwede siyang maging literal. So, dito, as you can see, it follows the formula. So, y is equal to 5x. This is K. So, this is a direct variation. Okay? Paano naman ito? Sa direct variation, dapat sumusunod siya sa formula. Here, we can't do anything na pwede itong gawing ganyan. So, this is not a direct variation. Okay? So, pag nakita nyo agad na may operator, may plus, hindi na yan. Ito, tama to. Fraction, pero it follows the formula. So, this is a direct variation. Ito, this also follows. So, tama rin yan. Ito, sa baba, ito, pwede to. Kasi we could multiply it by x in both sides. So, ang kakalabasan niya is y is equal to 8x. Ganito. So, this is still a direct variation. Ito, bakit may pi? This is a pi. Pi is also a constant value. So, we could actually consider this as a direct variation. Ito naman hindi. Ito direct variation. Ba't sinasabi mo, Yuri, hindi yan YA yan? Pag nag-write, di ba tayo, we are translating into mathematical statements. Nag-iiba talaga yung letters ng y at ng x natin. So, okay lang yan. So, a is equal to s squared. Wala siyang k. There's no constant, so that's not a direct variation. Ito, correct. It's a direct variation. So, based lang kayo sa formula na to. Okay? Yan.